5 key things everyone should know about English learning. Let's dive in with the first one, that is consistency. Consistency is key. When you start learning new things, your consistency will improve your learning ability. So, language learning is requires daily or consistent practice. Short, regular sessions are far more effective than cramming or sporadic studying. Second number is context matters. Context matters when learning words within sentences or scenarios. Context makes it easier to remember. Isolated words are often harder to recall, so scenarios make it easier. Third one is very basic, active usage. Regular using new vocabulary is essential. You know what? Why? Because when you use it into your daily routine, then it will really help you to learn and it helps you line up with your goals. So, regularly using words become part of memory when you actively apply them in conversations or writing. Fourth one is building connections. Link new words to those you already know. Creating connections helps your brain recall them more easily by associating new words with familiar concepts. I basically use it when I learned the new words. Fifth one is visual and emotional ties, which is very I think important, and my favorite one is it really helps me to learn the new vocabulary. Let's sink in how it helps. So basically, words are easier to remember when they are tied to image, feeling, or even experiences. Visualizations and storytelling can turn abstract vocabulary into meaningful memories. When you follow this step, you will might notice that when you speak with in English, these images recall in your mind, and you will properly pronounce it well and properly in put it into a correct sentence structure.